6 years, many undocumented immigrants in Arizona have felt like they've been wearing chains, the result of an anti-immigration law known as SB 1070. Today, for the most part, those chains came off. They did so with a new legal agreement that takes the teeth out of the law. Good evening, and thanks for joining us. I'm Guy Atchley.
And I'm Stella Inger. And 9 Your Side's Whitney Clark is live at Southside Presbyterian Church with how this new development will impact Arizonans. Whitney.
Well, for years, SB 1070 sparked debate and protests, not just here in Arizona, but all of the country, over the country. Some people even calling to boycott the state of Arizona. Now today, a 6-year lawsuit came to an end. Right now, we are at the Southside Presbyterian Church, where back in 2014, protests broke out near the church after two men were pulled over for a busted license plate light. They were taken into Border Patrol custody. At the time, an ACLU representative says it was no coincidence the men failed to provide ID. Following the protest, the then Tucson police chief said SB 1070 required his officers to call Border Patrol in any stop that involved undocumented immigrants. Now today, Attorney General Mark Brnovich provided an 8-page informal opinion giving direction to law enforcement agencies across the state. In it, he addresses the provision which opponents believed would lead to racial profiling. Brnovich wrote in part, officers shall not prolong a stop, detention, or arrest solely for the purpose of verifying immigration status. He went on to say officers shall not contact, stop, detain, or arrest an individual based on race, color, or national origin, except when it is part of a suspect description linking that individual to a particular unlawful incident. If an officer suspects that a person is in the country illegally, based on all available facts except race or ethnicity, they should contact U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement, unless doing so would prolong the stop or detention. Now, the state of Arizona will also have to pay $1.4 million in attorney's fees to the plaintiffs in this case. One of them includes the Southside Presbyterian Church here. Now, groups that were against SB 1070 say while this is a big step today, they will continue to make sure that law enforcement agencies across the state are following this new guidance. Live from the South Side, Whitney Clark, KGUN-9 on your side.